Have you ever thought about growing your own tea garden? Imagine sipping on the freshness of homegrown tea, experimenting with diverse flavors, and experiencing the satisfaction of nurturing a plant from seed to cup. Growing your own tea garden is a unique and rewarding experience that any garden enthusiast can enjoy. So, where should you begin? It's all about selecting the right plant. Camellia sinensis is the star of the show, producing most of our beloved teas. Thriving in tropical climates, it can also adapt indoors in cooler regions. Choosing the right plant is the first step towards creating your own tea garden. Once you've got your plant, how do you care for it? That's simple. Start by planting your Camellia sinensis in slightly acidic soil. Ensure it gets at least 6 hours of sunlight daily, but not direct scorching sun. Water it regularly, but avoid overwatering. As for harvesting, pluck the youngest leaves and buds. These are the most tender and make the best tea. Remember, patience is key. It takes about 3 years for the plant to mature. With proper care, your tea plant will thrive and provide you with fresh leaves for your daily cup of tea. Now that you've harvested your tea leaves, what's next? It's time to prepare them for brewing. Start by drying your leaves in a shaded, well-ventilated area. Once they're dry, you can move on to brewing. There are several techniques to brew tea, each bringing out unique flavors. Try steeping in hot water, or experiment with sun brewing for a more mellow taste. Don't be afraid to play around with different methods. After all, brewing your own tea from fresh homegrown leaves is a truly rewarding experience. Growing your own tea garden is a wonderful journey from seed to cup. We've explored how to choose the right plant, nurture it lovingly, and harvest its leaves. We've even dipped into the art of brewing your own homegrown tea. Each step brings its own joy, and the end result is truly rewarding. A warm, aromatic cup of tea made from leaves you've grown yourself. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy tea gardening!